Hi, welcome to Easy English and thank you for visiting. We've finished with the present tenses. And before we go to the future tenses, let's have a look at the past tenses. The first topic under past tenses is the simple past in British or the past tense in American. So when do we use this tense? We use this tense to talk about an action that took place in the past. Remember, there are two types of verbs, the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. The regular verbs form their past tense by adding d or ed, and the irregular verbs form their past tense by changing the spelling. In this sentence, she opened the door and invited us in. Open and invite are regular verbs. So here we added ed, and here we added d. In this sentence, he got on his motorbike and went away. Got is the past tense of the irregular verb get, and went is the past tense of the irregular verb go. We also use the past simple tense to talk about a state that continued for some time but is now finished. Like, for example, many of my former students studied abroad. Not anymore. They're back in their home country. We also use the past simple tense to talk about actions that happened regularly in the past. We often walked long distances. That was in the past. We don't do that anymore. Remember, if you use the question word did, the verb is always in the present tense. Like when you say, "Did you get my email?" You don't say, "Did you got my email?" "Did you see my phone?" Don't say, "Did you saw my phone?" Are you ready for a quiz? This quiz will test your knowledge on how to form the past tense of regular and irregular verbs. Here you are. 10 seconds. Check your answers. Well done. If you have any questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. Thank you for visiting. And please subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Bye. See you in the next video.